Yeah, we are there, we are here. Siyabonga Yolanda Xolile, siyabonga for the gift. It appears on this site that we have gifted us. Siyabonga kakhulu. Siyabonga kakhulu ngani zakwethu. We are welcome njengamanje. Siyanibingelela. Besa configureisha ezinye zezinto ngaphambi kokuba sibe la, but ke sesikhona ke njengamanje. We are here, we are strong. Yeah, sikhona ngani zakwethu. Sizokhuluma namhlanje nge-event ezoba khona ngomhla ka-2 May. We are going to talk about it, say around 8 o'clock. Yes, we are going to talk about the event as well. Also, we are going to touch on today's topic, Alpha and Omega. We are going to touch in today's topic, Alpha and Omega. So uma sikhuluma ngo-alpha no-omega, kuzohambe kuthinteke ama-dimensions, kuzohambe kuthinteke our level of consciousness. Yes, kuzohambe kuthinteke isimo somqondo. Yeah, kuzohambe kuthinteke futhi ukuthi what do we mean mangabe sithi kukude lapho esiya khona, futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, uyabona, because the thing is, good people, i-universe ijule kakhulu. I-universe bafethu, ijule kakhulu bafethu i-universe, beyond the comprehension of our minds. It is very, very deep and complex. So as us singama human beings nje kanje, kusekude kakhulu la kumele siye khona, selude kakhulu uhambo. Seningi kakhulu izinto esingakakwazi ukuzenza nokuzi-accessa ezikuthina ezikwi-disposal yethu. Ziningi kakhulu lezo zinto lezo, and for us we just need to hold on to our spiritual journey, and also to have that faith that eventually and ultimately we are going to reach our highest peak. We are going to reach our highest peak. So yeah, that's it. Because there are entities that are below us, and also there are entities that are above us. You see? So we are all in the transformational journey that is leading to the all, to the absolute. You see, we are moving down to the physical, from the spiritual to the physical, and then we move from the physical to the spiritual. So kuba ileyo move nje, the pendulum swing, spiritual to physical, physical to spiritual. Yabo, kodwa leyo nto leyo ayithatha isikhathi esincane, ithatha isikhathi eside kakhulu ukuthi yenzeke. Nyelezi sawubona changes, so I'm glad to be here. Thank you so much. Thank you lapho Nyelenzi, thank you so much for tuning in. Kunezinto eziningi esingakayi-understand, uyabona. Kukhona izinto ezingama beings are below us, njengeyilwane, yabo, njengeyihlahla, lokhu kunye okungenayo i-highest consciousness njengathi, okungareason kanjalo, okungenayo umqondo osebenza njengowethu. Yabona, siyaye sibuke mhlampe njengenkukhu nje, sibuke inkukhu sithi le nkukhu le yazi yangaba nayo ingqondo. Sibuke imbuzi, sibuke inkomo, thi lezi zinto lezi ziphose emgaqweni kube kuzimoto, siyayibuka ukuthi ziyadidizela lezi kane lezi. Yes, kukhona ke amanye ama beings asiba kanjalo nathi ukuthi hey, ama-human beings ave didizela shame, yes, ave didizela ama-human beings. Angikwazi mina ama-human beings asithathisa njengoba sibuyilwane nathi ukuthi hey, labantu bavele benze nje izinto nje, bevele yini, yabo, ngoba bona kubuka benama-superpowers, benama-superpowers and they can help us. Njengoba nathi sikwazi ukusiza iy'lwane ukuthi zihlale endaweni right, siy'nakekele, siy'fuye, senzeni, yabo. Bakhona futhi abanye iy'lwane abay'xhaphazayo, iy'lwane bay'gqilaza iy'lwane, bay'bulala iy'lwane, benza zonke izinto ngey'lwane, yabo. So okusho ukuthi nalaphana kuma-beings lawa ama-higher dimensions akhona ama-beings asinakekelayo thina ukuthi let us help these humans ukuthi ba-ascende baye kuma-highest dimensions of existence. Kodwa futhi akhona ama-entities khona lapho athi no man, abantu asibaxhaphaza abantu asidlale ngabo abantu asenze kanje, asifeze ngabe iy'nhloso zethu. Akhona ama-beings anjalo futhi, yabo. Shuthi kunama-beings that are trying to help us kuma-highest dimensions, and also there are beings that are trying, that are also thank you so much Akisi, thank you so much for the gift. Akhona from higher dimensions that are not in favor of, or they are not even in their place to help us, so they are just destroying us. Thank you so much Brenda Musa. Sawubona Prof, siyabonga ilanga lanamhlanje kahle mndeni kababa. Thank you so much Brenda Musa. It's always a pleasure to have you in our live session. I can see up to they are joining. We will never forget good people. At 8 o'clock we are going to have Ishambil Sethu namhlanje. There is going to tell us more about the event that we are going to have on the 2nd of May 2026. Yes, here in Devon. Yeah, so she will give us more details on that at 8 o'clock. So stay with us. Jobe, I think thank you so much for tuning in. Ngabi way crew sacela unginabela ngesolar plexus bafo. Say about the solar plexus mfethu. My son learn evening good people, evening my son learn siyakubingelela ngani wethu. What do I say about solar plexus mfethu? Ngaphandle ukuthi solar plexus, I know it as a center of willpower, courage and resilience. The element of it is fire, yeah, for you to take that action that is required. So that's what I can tell you in terms of chakras. Solar plexus, I know it in both ways. We are talking about chakras, or we are talking about centers in the human design system. It is an emotional center in the human design system. That's what I can say for now. But I don't want to digress or deviate too much from ilokhungana into engizokhuluma ngayo namhlanje. We also know ke ukuthi ke at 7 ke sizoba nayo guest yethu njengoba ngishilo. Can it be manipulated with witchcraft? Can it be manipulated? Yes, it can be manipulated. Yeah. Rako music. Sawubona changes, ngicela ungipha indlela elula yokubhalansa ama-chakras. Why you say indlela elula? I cannot tell you indlela elula mina yokubhalansa ama-chakras. I can tell you indlela mina engibhalansa ngayo ukuthi it's through mudras and mantras, yabo. Nakesi, can you please explain Kundalini? No, Kundalini is just an energy that is down, that is rooted at the base of your spinal cord. That energy is down there at the base. So if you rise it, it becomes supernatural. It needs to go up there. So when the time is right, it goes up. You know? Can you please explain Kundalini? Yeah, lapana uyolanda kuyavuma kusesilapana uBrenda Musa. Siyabe wena usayo ku Tem 2 ethokoza grade 11 awu siyazi ke phela ukuthi yanazi ukuthi usemncane kodwa ke I'll guide you nothing wrong, just that akwazi ukuzoxoxa ngesikole rank, uyazi rank wenziwe enye into esikoleni wenziwe enye into, so it's just a matter of being in the right place at the right time. What are other comments that we have here? What are other comments we have here? So good people, what I was saying is this is what you need to know. This is what you need to know. There are so much and so many potentials that are within you. There are so many potentials that are in you that are at your disposal. Those potentials are at your disposal, but you haven't explored them fully. And they are not going to go anywhere until you explore them. Since an event that you are, because where you learn it's the first time event so learns that as this kind of community. Obviously, iqala phansi besiya phezulu. Ngoba yonke into ezoqala phezulu obviously izoshona phansi. It's the grave that you start from the top to the bottom. It's the grave. So njengoba siqala nje, surely we will expand, and I also believe with success of this first level, uyazi nama if abe khona kube no bani second anniversary, third anniversary, lama event akhona siyazi ukuthi aqala kancane aze aziwa. So I think it is the same mentality namanje ukuthi umlilo nje wequbula uqala nje kancane ugcine somkhulu. So yeah, I think that's a logic behind we can take a step at a time until we know, so we have this, because this event is also having its own name, Naligama. So was, oh, this is the kind of event that started in Durban. So already see travel and Manyama places, and then obviously it's a level. Yeah. Kodwa ke akumina uzochaza kabanzi weYolanda ngendaba yalokho. Mhlawumbe mina ngichaza leyo nto nje le engiyichazayo. Mhlawumbe ifounder yalolu hlobo le-event mhlawumbe cha into ezokwenzeka mhlawumbe ngoJune noma ngoJuly leyo. Mina ngimane ngiyachaza nje, ngichaza into engicabangayo. Sizoza ngo-8 ukuthi are there any plans within the same year to also expand to other places in other provinces as well, you know. Kunento engisayi-attend la. Yeah. Out. Yeah. Ku ama-comment abuye abaleke la, yabo? Abuye abaleke ama-comment la. Are those potentials in the 4D and other dimensions futhi? Yabo, fourth dimensions and other dimension. Yabo mfethu, yeah. Phiwa inkosi eGubevu Akasha bhuti sesikhona. Hayi siyabonga kakhulu Phiwa. Dumisani evening Mr. kancane nje incazelo ngale misindo abasendlebeni hey mfethu ngeke ngabe ngiqambela amanga eDumisana. I wouldn't lie to you, yabo. Okay bhuti kuyezwakala. So good people, topic engibhali lapho ibhala ukuthi alpha and omega. Alpha and omega, of which alpha and omega i-alphabet yokuqala kuma Greek letters alpha, yabo, and then omega alphabet yokugcina. Bese ukuthi leyo ngihlala ngibuya ngibe nesimo sokuphazamiseka la. Ngibe nesimo sokuphazamiseka la. Okay, no, I was talking about this thing of alpha and omega. We'll remember njengoba abantu besebekhona nje, I'll have to remind them ukuthi i-guest yethu izongena ngo-8 o'clock ne, izongena ngo-8 o'clock. So la sokwazi ukuthi khona sichazelane about event. I can hear people say it's a very lonely journey, man. People tend not to understand family members. So where are my mates? Where is my family? So iyona ke into sobe sikhuluma ngayo futhi as well lapha ngo-8. Lento mntaka baba sikanye nawe mfowethu asicobelelane. It's very very deep, yabo. It's very deep. Ningakhona lokho. So ulifuna ukuthi ulikhiphe ngendlela structured, yabo, in a structured manner. You cannot just, yabo, mawumuzi ukustructure uzogcina yabo abantu futhi in the process. Ukuthi sala mntaka baba wazwakhathala mntaka baba. Imino ukhathele. How do you know that I'm tired? How do you know that I'm tired? Ungizwe esimeni somoya. So if I was talking about this thing of ama-potentials esinawo thina sabantu bemango alpha omega, basically asibukeni lento ka-alpha and omega. U-alpha and omega njengoba kuyi-alphabet yokuqala kuma-letters esi-Greek, alpha and omega, u-alpha, and then bese kuthi u-omega kuyiletha yokugcina. So isiqalo nesiphetho. Bese bethi uNkulunkulu iyisiqalo, uNkulunkulu uyisiphetho. Konke kwavela ngaye, internal God, yabo, eternal God, infinite, yabo, isiqalo yena aphinde abe isiphetho. So ngifuna ukuthi lento lena ke sikhulume ngoba wena ngokomthetho lo we-universe noma ngokwama-hermetic principles, lo mthetho othi as above so below, as below so above, lo mthetho lo osho ukuthi nawe lo mdali lo okhuluma ngaye odalile amazulu nomhlaba, that infinite living mind edalile yonke izinto kanjalo, bese kuthiwa nawe yabe sikompressa yasiba wuwe, yabo, yasiba wuwe njengokuthi nje, njengokuthi iqanda liphuma enkukwini, yabo, laphana iqanda liphuma enkukwini, ebese le nkuku le eqandeni izoba nawo wonke ama-capabilities ale nkuku ephuma kuyona, yabo, njengokuthi nje amanzi olwandle ngithathe nje ngikho amanzi nginkomisho olwandle, lawo manzi lawo anawo wonke ama-capabilities alapha olwandle. So thank you so much Ilan, thank you so much. So lonto leyo mase sesithi okusho ukuthi lento ka-alpha no-omega nakuwena futhi iya-apply kuwena. Asibuke ukuthi wena i-universe ixhumana kanjani nawe? Angithi wena unento ekuthiwa umqondo, the mind, yabo, unalento ekuthiwa umqondo, the mind. So njengoba unomqondo nje, the mind, you receive ama-downloads. Umqondo wakho ayikho into entsha okwazi ukuyi-create wona umqondo wakho ngokwawo. Ayikho i-thought entsha engagenerate-wa umqondo wakho. The only thing there is there in this universe that is able to generate, operate and destroy yilo okubiza ngoGod. Wena ngithi uthi God, G-O-D, the generator, the operator and destroy. Yabo, this is the law of creation. That's how things are being created and being advanced as well. Yabo, so kunawo lo ajiyo lapha kuma Freemason sign or generative principle. Iyo futhi i-principle yayo ye-creation ukuthi wena you can also create your own reality. Yabo, so if the generator, the operator and the destroyer is also you as well, should now in our capabilities njengoba shilo mina umqondo lo wakho is a quantum computer ekwazi ukuthi ixhumane ne-universe. Awukwazi ukuzigeneratela wona izinto ezintsha, kodwa umqondo wakho uyini? Uyilento ekuthiwa i-transducer. Umqondo wakho uyi-transducer, yabo, ngenxa yokuthi ushintsha umqondo wakho ureceive uhlobo oluthile lwe-energy bese uyalitransmuter ukhiphe uhlobo oluthile lwe-energy. So uyi-transducer umqondo wakho without ukuthi kube khona izinto ezikhona kwi-universe. Umqondo wakho ngabe ayikho neyodwa into okwazi ukuthi uqhamuke nayo umqondo wakho. Zonke lezi zinto uzithatha kwi-universal library, yabo, kwi-universal field noma kwi-consciousness field. That is where zonke izinto zi-exista khona as wave potentials, but wena bese uyazikhulapsa lezo zinto ngomqondo wakho. Yabo, uzozikhulapsa lezo zinto ngomqondo wakho. So mangibhekile into ka-alpha and omega, njengoba la uphila kwi-third dimension, uphila la khona esilawulwa khona i-space and time. Silawulwa space and time. Buka kune zero dimension la, or the first dimension, le a point nje that is occupying no space, no space and what and weight. Yabo, just a point. That point, if that point moves, yabo, it can go. I mean, a point is a zero dimension. Then the first dimension you can only move this time forward or backward, and then the second dimension, then you can move okay, sideways, forward and backward. So now, we second dimension, you can move from left to right and forward and backward. Yabo, a second dimension. Ungakwenza ke lokho. Yabo, that's a straight line. First dimension, just a straight line, simple. Yabo, but now if you are able to move forward and backward, that is a second dimension. So ukuba aboneke labo Popeye abayi second dimension, yabo, noma abadwe nje bayisibatha kanje, abangena height nje bayisibatha nje kanje, yabo, abangena height njengalo, njengalento edwetshwe la, yabo, lento edwetshwe la hayi ilokhu njani nje lento i second dimension level. So sikhumbuleke bakwethu ukuthi it's 8 o'clock we are going to have isihambeli sethu sochaza kabanzi nge-event that is going to have, that we're going to have, the event that we are going to have spiritually awakened people. I have to emphasize that one. Where we are going to meet, you see right now, Giovanni Bangak, we are going to meet ningalokhu nihlangana digital as people, so nikwazi ukuthi ni engage in the real world. So let me go on here with that. noma angithi being, the being that is living in the second dimension. Ikubona wena okwazi ukubuka impilo experience impilo ngokwe third dimension. Uyini third dimension? I-third dimension si-involve ne-height, angithi? Shuthi i-length, i-breadth, i-height, angithi? So se-involve ne-height la. That's how you experience this physical world. Uyakwazi ukugxuma wena, uyakwazi ukuyemuva, uyakwazi ukuya ngala emaceleni. The entity, hypothetically the entity that is living in the second dimension, uma ufuna ukuyilokha nje, you just simple like this. Uma ufuna ukuvalela into ephila yabo, into ephila kwi second dimension, you will just say like this. So ivalelile njalo, ayisakwazi ukuphuma. Ingashona le ngeke iphume, ingashona le ngeke iphume, ngeke izikwazi ukuphuma. But wena ngoba uphila kwi third dimension wena, uyakwazi ukuthi kumele ngabe nje mina ngavele ngiphakamise lento iphume lento bese ngiyivala, ngimele ngiyiphakamise ngoba okwami ngiyazi ukuthi ku involve in manje i-third dimension, kodwa the being hypothetically, the being that is living in the second dimension izokubona nama superpowers wena ukuthi ukwazi ukuphakamisa something, ngoba that idea does not exist in the second dimension. Only the third dimensional being that is able to see ukuthi this thing needs to be uplifted kuze lo aphume bese ngiyayisela futhi. Izokubona nama superpowers just like nawe ula uyi-third dimension, uyi-third dimension being. Someone who doesn't live in the fourth dimension, with fourth dimension is the time. Yabo, once ukhuluma nge-fourth dimension, now you're about time. Yabo, now we are talking about time. We are moving to spiral. There are so many things that have been said about indaba yesikhathi. Isikhathi is subjective, isikhathi is spiral. Shouldn't isikhathi, yabo. But la ngizongena khona mina, ngizongena la. Yabo wena ulimitwe yini? Space nesikhathi. Yes, space and time is locking you in this reality. Yabo, is locking you in this reality. You cannot be in different places at the same time. Yabo, you can only see that kind of reality at a time. Okusho ukuthini wena? We are an alpha being, kahle kahle. We are an alpha being. If we are able only to see this reality at a given point in time, yabo, awukwazi ukufast forward le reality yakho ukuthi yela uthanda khona, awukwazi ukuyisheshisa ukuthi yela awukwazi ukwenza lutho. You can only see this. You cannot rewind, you cannot fast forward. Okusho ukuthini? We are an alpha being. Kodwa akhona ama potential kuwe okuba yini i-beta being, ukwazi ukwenza go back in time, go forward in time. Go back in time where it was nice and extraordinary, nokuya futhi kuphi phambili. Yabo, ikhona into enjalo. Usuyi-beta being la. Lokho, thank you so much for the gift, Mnakisi. Lokho ku-involve ukuthi wena, your state of consciousness. Thank you, Tumsan. Thank you so much. You need to elevate your state of consciousness. You can do that. You need to elevate your state of consciousness to perceive the time differently. Yabo? To perceive the time differently. Okusho ukuthi uma uthi ulokhwe isikhathi space la, ukwazi ukubona le only le reality le oyibonayo njengamanje. Kukhona isigaba ekumele ukuthi uye kuso empilweni la uzokwazi khona uku-interacta ne-past, ngokunjalo nani ne-future, go forward and backwards in time. Yabo, you are able to do that. Lapho swithini i-beta being. Kodwa futhi khona ungakwazi futhi ukuthi ube i-being. Ngitshela uhambo nongahamba as a human. Ani ungalahamba, uhamba uzolahamba. Ku-spiritual journey sakho uzolahamba lo. Kukhona esi-potential ofika kuso la uzosuka kwi-beta ukuba i-beta being ukwazi ukuphila ku-interactor ne-past no-interactor ne-future, but unyukele kwesinye isigaba akhona ungakwazi ukubuka ama-potential ethu igama human noma ngathi igama la ukwazi ukubona ama-possibilities, different possibilities yabo of your life yabo, ama-potentials akhona lawo, you're able to see at different possibilities of your life ukuthi yabo mangithi mina possibilities are infinite in the universe. Yes, possibilities are infinite in the universe. You have to know ukuthi at any given point there is you that is doing this, there is you that is doing that, there is you that is wealthy, there is you that has been arrested, there is you that is dead, there is you that... There are different scenarios, there are different outcomes of your life. But if you are operating on a gamma level, you are able to see all those possibilities of your own life. Yabo, ukuthi if I take this route is leading this place. If I take this route is going to lead into this place. Yabo, you are able to see that those possibilities kanje. Angithi ngiyazi ukuyimanje khona abantu abakwazi ukubona into engakeli, khona abantu abakwazi ukubona into eyenzekile kade bengekho lapho. Yabo, ngezizathu ukuthini? Ngezizathu ukwazi ukunyuka ngokwe level of consciousness kwi level ethile. So nawe ke you are able to do those things, to see all the different possibilities of your own life. Yabo, that is a gamma state. You can see and collapse what you want to collapse, but nansi ke limitation yalapha ukuthi only, okay, before I come to my limitations, I will come to my limitations of each, because as long as usay a life form kanje ukuthi we are still life form, akhona ama confines nama limitations. Even ama angels anama limitations akhona, even ama deities anama limitations akhona, yonke into inama limitations akhona. The only thing that is not limited is the all, yabo, that has created everything, not limited by anything, because it is a limitation. It is a limitation of on its own. It's because it is everything. So uma sidlula kwi gamma, yabo, sidlulela kwi alpha. You are alpha being. Kuba i-alpha being kusho ukuthi you are able to see ukuthi ubona zonke izinto vividly as they progress, ukuthi if I take this route and this is not a matter of ukuthi there is potential and you have to collapse them. No, vividly, clearly, if you are a gamma being, clearly you don't need to what? To test ukuthi okay, yabo, ayengoze sibone nazi izinto zibekiwe ukuthi mawuthatha lo mgaqo uzokuledela lapha empilweni yakho. Mawuthi lento ethiwa i-multiverse, yabo, mawuthatha lo mgaqo uzoyithola ukule, you land into this destiny. If you take this, you are going to land into this destiny. If you are taking this, you are going to land into this destiny, yabo. And then when you decide which one you want to take, that is what you are given. Also, if you are a gamma being, you are given in power to be able to see if I take this way I'm going to land, but you need to engage with it to be able to land there. But the alpha being vividly akadingi ukuthi aze engage nako ku-clear ba like into is like into ayiphilile ayaziyo. So that is the thing ukuthi iba icaca ba ukuthi if I do this izokwenza, I don't have to test or tamper with it, yabo, I don't have to tamper with it. It is clear and visible, yabo. Ngibona each and every progression ukuthi like uma ke ngaqala le business kuzokwenza ku1 kwenze ku2 kwenzeka u3 kwenzeka u4 kuzoqhamuka lo enze kanje lo enze ngibona yonke into njengoba injalo kunjalo ba yes ekugcineni ngazi yonke yes ngazi yonke into ukuthi what is going to happen so kundlalwe la konke lokho. It's unlike kwigama where I'll see ukuthi if I do this, this is where I'm going to land. If I do this, this is where I'm going. No, you see each and every progression of the journey in the alpha. But still, there is another level. Elapho. Manje ngithi mina kukude la esuka khona, futhi kukude la siya khona. La mhlambe I doubt ukuthi kodwa bakho abantu aba level kulama levels engikhuluma ngawo manje. I doubt ukuthi khona abantu ababona ama possibilities manje empilo zabo and then they are able to choose. I doubt, but it's the potential they have yabo within their disposal yabo. Epsilon above igama epsilon is able to change the initial position, ukuthi uyazi ukuthi into uma ngabe ngizoshintsha indlela eqale ngayo I can get a different result. Uthola ukuthi ibhizinisi lami ukuliqala manje nokuliqala 1 year from now nginikeza totally different outcomes. Is the state of initial positions. Lokho ke ngafunda ngayo i-chaos theory. Nento i-chaos theory ukuthi if you change the initial position then you are going to learn a different direction. Njengokuthi nje yabo uma ngabe ibhanoyi la, if I can just move this, well, I don't know what they call it, just few degrees, I can learn totally different somewhere else. God, I only just like this. I don't know if they call it a compass. And then I change it like this, just few degrees apart. Ibhanoyi ngathi ngeke lisalende eUSA, so lelenda ngampela somewhere else. God, it just so ukuthi even a smallest change in initial position can make you land to a totally different destination in your own life. So it's in here lento le isho ukuthi uzokwazi ukubona ukuthi initial state kumele ibe njani ukuze kuphume ama results in my own life. The initial state kumele ngizalwe kuyiphi family, kumele ngizalwe ubani, kumele potential leyo at your own disposal, kumele ngizalwe ubani. Uyabo kuyimanje kwenzekile lokho exactly in your own life, but awuchoosanga consciously. Manje precise uzalwa abazali bekumele bekuzale, uzalelwe njani bekumele uzalwe kuyona, uza konke kwenzeke, kodwa wena kuchoose isoul yakho, wena ukuchoosanga consciously. Yabo ukuchoosanga wena, kodwa uma uhamba kulolu hambo lwespirit, we are going to be able to do that consciously, way to choose it. Yabo, yes, if whether you can ascend in your spiritual journey, ascend in your level of consciousness, do that. Because if you say umuntu, hey, uyazi ukuthi wena ochoose lolu hlobo lempilo, wena ochoose lempilo, wena ochoose labazali, wena ochoose le circumstance, and wena ochoose le destiny ozolenda kuyona. Athi umuntu, no, I wouldn't choose this kind of life. Why? Yes, you are right. Vele, because in your level of consciousness, awafika esigabeni la khona wena uzokwazi uku-interacta nesoul yakho, ukhumbule ukuthi this is what I did mina myself. Uzoshona vele kule lifetime, uzoshona vele, and you'll still disagree ukuthi uwe imo ezenzile previously that led you to this kind of life. Uzophika futhi again, uzophika ngoba there are things that you are doing right now, but lezo zinto lezo zine impact futhi empilweni yakho esikhathini esizayo. You are not spiritually connected, you are not like indlela owenza ngayo, indlela ucabanga ngayo. Let me make an example. Uma ngabe uthi wena umuntu ongayithandi vele, uyagcinga noma yini, gym, exercise mhlambe like udevelop ukugula okuthile emzimbeni wakho, next time uma uyithola kube umuntu mhlawumbe oba ne-colon cancer bese kube ukuthi i-cancer iwi-lineage yakho somewhere somehow bese wena uthi ungangeke ngikhethele i-reality ukuthi ngine-cancer in my own life, but mase sesiyithatha lento siyibuka ukuthi wena what have you done previously, indlela okwenza ngayo izinto, maybe da ubhema futhi pho uzomangala kanjani mawukuthi usuyithola wena at some point une-cancer kanjalo, yabo, ngoba now une-direct impact njengamanje as we speak unesandla kule situation le okuyona njengamanje, unesandla now either in this lifetime or in the previous lifetime, but you are given a chance right now to rectify those things, yabo. So ukushintsha i-initial position ungayishiya manje, i-initial position yakho ungayishintsha manje. Initial position, when you are changing the initial position, that will lead to a different set of outcomes in your own life, yabo. If you want a different life, you can do that now. You are changing the state of initial position in a microscopic manner, but in a macroscopic manner you can also do that. Yabo. So lapho ke sizobe sesikhuluma ngani nge epsilon being, that's an epsilon being ekwazi ukubona okay, I can change this state and then the changing the initial position. But if we go higher, angakhuluma ngam challenges sikhumbula ukuthi ngo 8 o'clock soba nasihambeli sethu njengamanje nje we are just 11 minutes away to 8 o'clock. Maybe let me just read your comments first, or maybe I'll read your comments later, I don't know, or whatever the case may be, but let me finish this. Kukhona ke isigaba onganyukela kuso futhi esithi ngifuna ukubona wonke ama causation, ama initial positions onke kanye at once that will lead to different outcomes all at once, phamba, yabo. Shuthi ukuthi each and every ukuthi leli business maqale la kuzokwenzeka nje uma ngiqa I'm changing the state of initial position. Uyazi ukuthi changing the initial state of position isho ukuthi leyana, isho ukuthi ngiyazi ukuthi uma ngiphuma la ngo8 kuzokwenzakalana ekugcineni kunokuthi uma ngiphuma la endlini ngo7, yabo. Ngiyazi ukuthi uma ngizokwenza ukuthi ngalesi sikhathi kuzokwenza ukuthi futhi ukushintsha i-state of initial position, ngiyazi uma ngiqala le business nge-capital engaka kuzokwenzekalani. We are changing the initial position state, yabo, that will lead to a different outcomes. Then kodwa lapha ya njengoba ngishilo ngakakhulu ngama challenges, let me not talk about challenges, let me talk about ukuthi uma ukuthi usunyela lapho kumele uwabuke khona wonke. Sesikhuluma ngenye level lapho, sesikhuluma ngenye level ukuthi kumele uwabone wonke. What we call it, it is a sigma being. It's a sigma being, or yeah, or lambda. Yeah, I think it's a lambda, yeah, lambda being. Ukwazi kwenza njalo bona wonke ama different initial position ukuthi lokhu makwenzeke ngalesi sikhathi, this is what is going to happen, yabo. Ngoba isikhathi you just be at the same place at the same time with something that you don't like, yabo. Nje umuntu ushayiswa imoto, lo muntu ngokwalento ekuthiwa i-at line ube at the same place and at the same time with imoto base bayashayisana ke, yabo. Kodwa mina uma ngiyibing operator kwi level advance ngakwazi ukubona ukuthi uma ngabe ngiphume kulesi sitolo ngalesi sikhathi ngizokwazi ukugejana nale yamoto ukuthi angishayise. Lokho ngokwazi ukubona, ungakwazi ukubona manje. No, uyabona ama capabilities akho they are still limited for now, yabo. Angithi yonke lento uzokwazi ukuyenza ifuna different level of consciousness, yabo. different levels of consciousness. Bese usukwazi ukubona this is what is going to happen nawe nangempilo yakho usuyazi. That is why ngasho bakhona abantu that are way above than me ngokwe-spirituality, because they are able kwi-level ethi umuntu is a multi-dimensional being. They are able to see all these things. Umuntu is a multi-dimensional being. Umuntu is a multi-dimensional being. Yezwa nje abantu bethi angisabuyi mina kwa-Eric kwasho kwacisho kwavutha amalahle. Kunzima kabi ukwenza lokho consciously. Kunzima kabi ukwenza. Kunesigaba level 7 ekuthiwa usuyini overman. Izinto osuzenza lapho usukwazi nokuselect ukuthi ufuna ukufa nini, ufuna ukuzalwa nini, ufuna ukwenzani. Lezo igaba lezo kukude la sisuka khona, futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Ungaselect nje wena manje ukuthi ufuna ukufa nini, ufuna ukuzalwa nini, ufuna ukuzalelwa laphi, kanjani, uzalwa ukwenze lokho conscious kanje njengoba ukhona nje kanje. Hayi kobe kusho ukuthi wena hayi usungenhla kakhulu nje manje. Sizoba nayo. I doubt I can finish your comments. I doubt. Maybe let me say I'm going to read your comments after. I'm going to read your comments after, because I cannot finish your comments in 6 minutes. I can finish your comments in 6 minutes. So it gets to if say corner, we are going to to do what? To request, ne? Because lobu xhaka lobu lobu xhaka lobu ubuye buhluphe lobu xhaka, yabo. Of May, right? So all the details that are required. Hazelland. So we frequently say kukude lapho esisuka khona, futhi lapho esiya khona, because the activities that we have at our own disposal, but we are unable ukuswala kunje. Uyazi ukuthi kune dimension uma ufika kuyona i-dimension yes9, the 9th dimension, outside exist as a physical body. Used to exist as a physical body. Yeah. You cease to exist as a physical body. La. Lokhu ngana yethu i-guest yethu la ngiyayibona i-message yayo ethi angilokhu nje ayubona live wethu. How am I going to look? Let me try to do this, because uke wangichazela ukuthi akakaze abe ku live, yabo. So let me try to assist this way. To live wethu akawuboni ukuthi ungakuphi. Utabona live wethu ukuthi ungakuphi. So let me do like this. Amanda angawakho. Hey, I'm going to read your comments. Ungabeka umoya phansi ungatatazeli. It's after 8, right? Yes. Yeah, we are live on TikTok. If you search Zakasha up there on top, yes. Okay, ngena kuyona video yodwa, then you will see la khona isithombe, kuzovela ukuthi live. Ngena kuyona video, do enter into it, kuzovela ukuthi live. Angithi nami ke kuzongishaya lokho ngoba let me see. Okay. Ukubona ukuthi uzokwenza lokho. Ube uzama le ndlela engisho ngayo njengamanje, right? Thank you. Let me see ukuthi can I be able to invite someone here? Ungazi ngisho nokusearch nje. I can't even search here. I can't even search invite because we did communicate. No. Suggested, yeah, la kuvela ukuthi I can invite ama creators. Tumbo. I am unable to do it. Yeah, mhlambe in the meantime guys, let me go through your comments esazama ukungena la ku live wethu guest wethu. Ngizolo ngichecka nje ukuthi siyamthola yini. Ngiyabona laphana umfana wethonga uthi ngiyabingelela mfowethu, ngicela usenze nje sebenzisa ulimi esinjani esizoluzwa. Alex Universe konta babiza ngani ngolimi lokho very inama properties universe I'm very sorry. So think okay. In me is silent. Ngicabanga ukuthi Brenda Musa sengi return working return right ngaze ngakuthola live. Thank you way Beacon of Lights. Thank you so much. Ngisakwazi Kobani Kosana, do you know any ritual to access higher states of mind? A meditation nje. Comes in. So how do I access the level through the mind or spiritual? Yeah, but the first thing is the meditation. The first thing is the meditation. That is the first thing. The meditation, you can access the higher dimension. Yeah. Access the higher dimensions. Giyalunga. I really do not know ukuthi kwenzekala. Ubani la khona ngizozama ukusearch. Okay, all right, it's fine. All right. Ngazi inenkinga athenini ithole lo live. So let me try to search. Yeah. How people, if you are searching me, ningithola kanjani nina good people and how do you find me? Angazi mhlawumbe ngi-invite umuntu wrong la. Let me assume ukuthi okay view yes ngathi uthi sinenkinga ke la. Ngathi sinenkinga la. How am I going to add this this guest? Maybe ngithi bakhona abasazimsiza eceleni kwakhe mhlambe. Let me hope so, because I think mina ngiyangena ku live ngiyaye ngisearch ngibone umuntu naku live ngithola people meditation first. Meditation is the first avatar. Uthi ibhuti omdala ngiyathemba uyaphila. Ngiyaphila avatar. Mr. Wonderful, I choose good parent, proud of them. Siyakubongela kakhulu Mr. Wonderful. Athandwa 3 ndiyakuva bhuti. Siyabonga Dumisani, I really need to rectify this scenario I'm finding myself in. You really need to rectify this scenario you find yourself in. You really need to rectify it. Ngampela. Whatever scenario you find yourself in, if it's not pleasant, it's not a pleasant scenario, please rectify it. There is a lot to rectify it. Yeah, good people. It's not eningi as our own digital people. Ngokwenza imagine iqala nje. Mama meditation not meditation kodwa for success you can use meditation. On changes cash on YouTube ngiyakhuluma meditation uthi meditation ama benefits ayo ile meditation ku must practices siba nawo sesifaka meditations la ku YouTube njalo ngomuntu engithi we have my spiritual practices every as well as Thursdays, Mondays and Thursdays, the what you call the chakra balancing as well as the pranayama, where we're opening spiritual veins. Ezinye zezinto lezo fasting as well can also transcend to higher dimensions. So uthi ukwazi nje nge-awakening ngaqala kuma videos wakho. Thank you so much, Yahoo. Thank you so much. I was just being used as just a vessel. We are my brother. Thank you, Mr. Wonderful. What limits them? Umzukulu kaNgqoqwane ubuza lokho uthi what limits them? Yahoo. Ayisuka ngiyaziqhenya ngawe. Mina ngiyabheja ngawe. Thank you kakhulu lapho Yahoo. Siyabonga mfowethu. Umncadi uthi I know the noma bafethu uNomamvuyane mhlawumbe ungakwazi share noMamVuyane lo live yabo. noMamVuyane, someone who can share this live to noMamVuyane. noMamVuyane is our host. This go come and Lukunjan and tell us more about, if you are able to do that, please do it. Because I don't know where am I going to be able to listen. Am I going to be able to do that? To share. Yenza the phone manje. Eish. Searching you, I can't find. But I think it should be easy, because you simply search changes Akasha, and then if you find Akasha, you click there, Kuma use normal videos. Then you see it like circle show in life. Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay, it's fine. All right. I will try. If I fail, it means I fail, but I will try for now. Bazongisiza nabahlobo bami la. Thank you. Another is direct observing without interpreting. Yes. To simply be aware. Just simply be aware without good meaning. Another is directly observing without interpreting. I'm at the what? Oh no, you know what? There's the thing, Mos. There's the thing, Mos. Oh, why? Ngabe sidlala sodwa kulo mculo. Ayibuye phela izinto zabelungu zenzani manje? Into zabelungu? Into zabelungu ibuye ihluphe nje esithubeni. Yabo? Ngehla nazo zenzani? Ngingangijwayeli kahle. Naziya seyibuyile. I am the way I'm narrator of my mind. I hope that means good to my journey, sir. I'm at the where you are a narrator of your own mind. Because I'm at the where I'm the misprint lab, the narrator of my mind, and hope that means good to my journey, sir. Yeah, if it feels good, then it's good. We follow you, bro. That's how. Oh, you follow me. That is how. Okay. All right. I also thought that we use a 746 Sianda Mdebele, and that is why lots of humans misses the universal communication. Yep. Also njalo lapana uMafasa 4 years Mhlenko muthi Akasha mfo sacela uphuma kancane, ecela ukubuza udla nhloboni lokudla, like ukudla okunezipayisi ekudleni. Into ngiyakudla ukudla nje, ukudla okukhona konke, inyama engayidli. ukudla nje mina ngiyakudla nje okusanethini ufish okwamanje inyama engingayidli yabo okwanguku ngisasho nje ukuthi okwanguku it's only the meat that I don't eat yabo but other than that I eat everything so kokunye koziyekekela ke ngendlela bese esilaphana ukwazi I'm at the point where I'm okay sengifundile lo comment ukudla okunjani okunjengamafutha kanje hello ngiyakwazi ukudla yabo mfethu ukudla amafutha ushukela nenyama hayi for me mfethu hayi lokho kudla lokho isikakhulukazi ushukela hayi yabo nje mfethu ukudla ukuprocessiwe hayi akukho right lokho kudla ukuprocessiwe but ke kudla ukuprocessiwe kugcwele yonke indawo hayi yabo nje mfethu uma ukhuluma ngendaba yokudla nje ukudla mfethu kuyisosi yezifo lezi sinazo yabo kodwa futhi at the same time kumnandi lokudla lokho esikudlayo kumnandi nakho ayikho into eza neside elilodwa ngeke nje mina ngifike ngiye ehotela laphana ngifike ngiyofuna amadumbe nobhatata lapha ehotela ngibhukile ngizofike ngifune kona lokudla kwabo lokho kulisayo fike ngifune kona angithi kumnandi okunye futhi ku-addictive nabo phela mina ngiyaye ngisho ukuthi ezinye izinto esingasayilungisanga kule lifetime yamanje ziyolunga kwenye lifetime yabo you cannot reach i-destination emele ufike kuyona kwi-lifetime eyi-1 ngeke yabo so lokho kuphumayo kuyayiphumela kona angivele ngikuforce nje kuyayiphumela mase ukuthi angingasakudla angibe ngisakudla kusho ukuthi isoul yami ayisakudingi ngiyakuyeka yabo nje ngiphume ethinini nje ngathi ngiyaphuma ethinini ngiphumile ekudleni kwethini manje kudla ukuhlala ethinini ngathi ngiyaphuma khona uyiphumekelekile khona ngizophuma nakulezi ezinye izinto hello yeah ungakwenza ngoba I'm still going through the comments la kuzonela all right ukudla okunjani okunamafutha amafutha nje mfethu siyawadla kona kodwa nje hayi akukho right yabona ukudla lokuvele sikudlayo vele bethu akukho right ngiyazi ukuthi mhlawumbe kwesinye isikhathi kuyiphumela kona mina angiforce into ukuthi yenzeke iyazenzekela yona yabo ngiyazi ukuthi lokudla ekuthiwa ama-dairy products nawo futhi aney'nkinga zawo but ekugcineni ayikho into eza nobuhle kuphela engezi nobubi yonke into ekhona iza nobuhle bayo iphinde ize nobubi bayo yabo yonke into ekhona so ukungasalunganga manje ngiyaye ngithi mina kulunga kwi-lifetime ezayo kodwa I'm trying my best yabo Nonhlanhla laphana Nxumalo uthi she must follow you first if she haven't ulive sewutholile kodwa angathi TikTok content sayilungisa lapha ku TikTok ngathi basanikana mangqingqini no TikTok uyazi nawo TikTok ukuthi uyacheckisana munga ujwayele uyacheckisana nami wakwathi kungicheckisa ngifika la kwasho ukuthi hey ina open ash na phela mina ngathi ngqingqi Slingo why can't he or she not just search your name why can't he or she not just search your name ngicabanga ukuthi yabo mungekho mhlambe exposed kulento yo live angazi kanjani ungekho exposed kuyona but ke ngoba vele ungazi ukuthi kune path ayilandelayo let she follow that path yabo igama lami noNhlanhla phela nje ngithi uChanges Akasha nje Changes Akasha hayi sengimsendelile ilink sengimsharele link so indaba isino TikTok wakhe asawulungisa Monday at what time Nhlanhla Nxumalo Monday at 7 p.m. Mondays every Monday at 7 p.m. We have we are opening chakras, we are balancing chakras and doing the pranayama 7 days but you need to be a channel member because I did that for members because I saw which kind of members are but I just wanted to recognize them and give them some value for what they do. That's how this thing came about. King Akasha angisakwazi kusho lapho awakened soul beacon of light angisakwazi don't still do lives on YouTube lapha ku YouTube ngiba nabo kodwa okwamanje base specific ukuthi labo live labo we awakened soul base specific okwamanje kusabala ama practices engwabalayo angakabi nabo labo live laba abavulelekile ngenxa yale project engiphewayo do you still do lives njengoba ngisho ukuthi kusaba ama members kusaba ama spiritual practices pranayama and chakra balancing tomorrow we are also adding meditation yabo for ulokungano 4 years lapano storm fragrance core ukuthi food is associated with emotions yabo bafethu indaba okudla yabo lapha kwi-event mele indaba okudla ibuye ikhulunywe kahle yabo mele ibuye ikhulunywe kahle yabo kule department le yokudla ngisayizibile nje lo department leyo ngisayizibile nje kuna ngisekule department yomqondo kodwa manje unfortunately umuntu uyispirit uyimind and ibody uma ngabe kuukuthi kuphazamiseka ibody iyaphazamiseka imind iyaphazamiseka ispirit yabo lezi zinto zombili zontathu ziyahambisana uphazamisa umqondo phazamiseka umzimba phazamiseka ilokungana ispirit itrinity nje kanjalo yabo so i-guest yethu ngicabanga ukuthi mhlambe iyona le requestayo manje ama comment asele ngizowafunda ama comment asele let me accept i-guest yethu so that ngizokwazi ukuthi ukuze sikwazi ukuthi sikhulume ngicabanga njengamanje usu live on TikTok with Changes Akasha sikubingelele siza ukuthi yonke into si right.
Sawubona kakhulu Sihle. Thank you so much for having me. Ngiyaxolisa ukuthatha isikhathi eside ngibe nenkinga.
Okay,
Yeah,
no,
yonke into
that's not a
isi-right
problem.
manje.
Yeah, that's not a problem. Mhlawumbe sisale sesihlala khona nje sesihlala amagqoza ukuze sikwazi ukuthi sikhulume ngayo ngokukhululeka le event eseyikaziyo ukuthi icanwe kahle kukhulunywe kahle ngayo ku live. So sikhuluma nobani njengamanje?
Ngiyanibingelela nonke and I'm very humbled to be here and ngiyabonga ukuthi ningamukele and allowing me into your sacred space. Igama lami nguNoma wakamvuyane. It feels so good to be a part of this revolution.
Absolutely. Kuhle kakhulu ukuzwa noma ukhona la endaweni yethu njengamanje. So mhlambe la I've already touched frequently nje emavidweni ngiyakhuluma nge-event ukuthi abantu they say ba lonely with this thing of spirituality is a lonely journey bapha abantu babo and all of those things I used to hear those things. So how did this thing of event came about? Mhlambe futhi lithini igama le event futhi iqhamuke kanjani?
Okay, igama le-event sithe i-Ancient Awakening event and iqhamuka nge-experience nje engibe nayo because ukuvuka as esazi mhlambe sik-experientile sonke lokhu ukuthi ukuvuka it can bring a sense of separation and will lead to many relationships ending, and sifila siphonseka kwi-isolation and having to navigate this journey all by ourselves. Sifile misunderstood and sistruggle kakhulu ukuthi senze ama-connections with abantu. It gets very lonely and i-silent yakhona it echoes. Ucabanga ukuthi kuzoba ngcono okuhambeni kwesikhathi kodwa akuzange kuze kwenzeke. So lokhu nje mina ngavuka, it has been quite some time with abantu abavukile except for umngani wami.
Ubuseza kahle ke i-network yakho angazi ukuthi isenza njani. Noma, are you still there? Are you still there, Noma? Okay. Mhlambe asemnikeni ithuba uNoma aphinde ashaye. Asemnikeni ithuba aphinde ashaye angazuthi uke wayikhuluma indaba yo load shedding ngalila khona ukuthi engazuthi udlangile umfoka lokungana ugadle ephindelela kulento yo load shedding. Uzothola ukuthi mhlambe sekucishe lento ekuthiwa ifoni noma kuhambe lento ekuthiwa ugesi. Uyazi ke nawe ukuthi sise South Africa uzobona ngayo load shedding ukuthi sewuse South Africa ke manje yabo uke wayikhuluma into njengaleyo uNonhle Mvuyane. Siyazi ukuthi abanye ayiba affect njengabanye yabo ayis affect ngokufana le load shedding, but ke methola isikhathi ke uzobuye futhi lokhu njani. Okay. Alright, bengigcine phi ngama comment la. Ngiyabona la niphendulana khona. Ngiyabona uFoyezi Mehlenkomo ukuthi ubekhuluma indaba yokudla. Indaba yokudla ingenile la kakhulu. Washo futhi ukuthi ukudla okungenamafutha yabo nje. Alright, sesikhulumile ngaleyo ndaba leyo. Silingo, alright, sesikhulumile Silingo ngaleyo ndaba leyo. Yeah, sesiyidwile. Masha, sanibonani ekhaya. Sawubona Masha, sawubona ngane yakwethu. Siyajabula ukuba khona kwakho. Monday at what time? 7 p.m. Angithi 7 p.m. Awaken Soul, Beacon of Light, King Akasha, angisakwazi, Don't Still Do Life. Ayiyo ke lo ndaba le ngikhulumile yo live. Yeah, ama comments bese ngafundile iningi lawo. Ngiyachazeleka Akasha, ngiyabonga. Danko. Namani shaking hands. Hello. Serial SA before do you wake money out of TikTok before do you wake money out of TikTok? Do you make money out of TikTok? I don't know. I do not make money out of TikTok. Yabo. Mhlambe ngicabanga ukuthi ubuqonda ukuthi do I make money out of TikTok? I do not make money out of TikTok. Yabo. I do not make money out of TikTok. Kodwa phela anginqabile angilokhunjile. I don't make money out of TikTok, but anginqabile mawufuna ungipha angane yakwethu. Money smells so nice. You can follow the same process you followed, because uvele wacisha nje sisakhuluma la. You can just follow the same process that you followed, ne? Thank you. Ngingayijabulela we-Serial SA, mina ngiyazi ukuthi ningikhonzile futhi nginikhonze njengoba ningikhonzile. Yeah. Awumfethu Serial SA kuba ila 0.2, 0.02, 20 cent, 1 cent, yabo leyo into leyo njalo. So it's just that nje. Nami ngibuye ngisendela abanye ama gifts engithanda ukubasendela ababe no live aba interesting. Kuba yilokho nje. Yabo. How important is grounding? how important Bani is grounding. Found myself floating, not in touch with body, mind, and reality. Mkosi, i-grounding kwethu. Mina ngithi ngokwami ibalekile i-grounding kwethu. Asibukene ama-benefits eza ne-grounding. I-grounding, you ground. Qala mele ube present, yabo. If you can take your attention, uyifake kule pressure. Ngalo ngizothi pressure noma ngizothi la ehlangana khona umhlaba nenyawo zakho ezohamba. Uthatha i-attention uyibeke lapho. Ungayisusi, wonders do happen. That is grounding kwethu. Ngizokutshela okunye futhi. Ngizokutshela manje okunye. Yabo manje we are talking serious stuffs manje. We are talking serious stuffs. If you are talking about grounding. I-passion iqhubeka la igcine khona akasiqali phansi.
Ukuthi angibonanga ukuthi nginqamuke kubi. So as
unqamuke khona impela la ukuthi abantu they say ba lonely and you woke up
Yeah, okay. So ngeke ngabona ke ukuthi if kukuthi we have abantu abavukile, so why not sihlanganeni and create a community of like-minded people. Like sike sibone la ku TikTok abantu who have something in common behlangana. Ngeke ngisibone eqaleni before ngiqhamuka ukuthi ngaya ngabona abanye kuthiwa abasingile abahlanganele la hotel leliya because you know they have something in common. So bezohamba English and whatnot. Uningi abanye kuthiwa abakhulelwe abahlanganela phaya because they have something in common. So if nathi sikhona and we have something in common, so each journey it really doesn't have to be alone. So a possibility ke yale event it trolls me ngoba ngiba nethemba lokuthi we are finally going to escape the void and the loneliness. Because ngempela it shouldn't be lonely if you are there and I'm here. If you can come together, we'll learn ukuthi ngempela we are never alone in the first place. So i-purpose ke yale event ukuthi to bridge the digital world.
Okay, mhlawumbe if I can ask, naba abantu bakhona la abantu abahlukahlukene abasilalelayo ngokuhlukahlukana kwabo. Bayangilalela abaseNazaretha, bayangilalela abase I'm listened by different people, but do we have maybe mhlawumbe sithi uhlobo oluthile labantu kumele luze kule event? Who should come to this event basically?
Okay, ngiyabonga kakhulu changes ngalombuzo loyo. Umuntu owamkelekile kwi-event kahle kahle this event the spiritual caring event is open to anyone who's seeking a community connection and a community with like-minded individual. Umuntu ozimisele ngokukhula nokufunda and simply just share and okubalekile kakhulu ukuthi senze the connection with like-minded people. So ukuphendula nje kafishane lo mbuzo lo ukuthi umuntu ofanele eze ku-event umuntu othanda ukufunda nomuntu ofuna ukukhula, kakhulukazi umuntu seek to make connections and community with like-minded people. Not umuntu esizodebate naye, but umuntu othanda ukufunda and novulelekile ukuthi afunde and afundise futhi naye. So yeah, anyone nje who's seeking this deep connection, so wamkelekile ke kwi-event.
Okay, futhi ngamanye amazwi akusona isicao sokuthi sidebate ukungaboni kwethu ngasolinye. So
Yes.
should come with an open mind.
Yeah, open mind, open heart, and very grounded and very aware.
Okay, siyabonga ngalokho. So ke mhlambe yini umuntu ekumele ukuthi ayiphathe ngoba ngiyacabanga nje njengoba ngiwuchanges Akasha mangiphuma la endlini ngikukhonzile ukuphuma ngivathazela mina angithandi ukuphatha. Mhlambe khona ekumele ngikuphathe uma ngiza kwi-event, mhlambe yini umuntu angayiphatha noma nje ngingeza ngiyivathazelela ngiyimina kanje.
Okufanele ukuphathe kakhulukazi ukufanele ukuphathe, you have to bring yourself with an open heart and mind, fully present and aware. Ilokho kubale okunye ungakushiya konke, just bring yourself with an open mind and heart. And then-ke okunye-ke kwama-items okufanele ukuphathe, siyacela ukuthi usiphathele comfortable seat, like mhlambe i-camp chair, a cushion, meditation mat, mhlambe ibhayi, ithawula because sobe sisepaki, and indawo zokuhlala won't be provided. So if ukuthi umuntu ongakwazi ukuhlala phansi isikhathi eside, then you can bring along a camp chair and izinto ezikanjalo, into ezoba comfortable wena ukuthi uhlale for isikhathi eside. And then ungaphatha a journal or a notebook, because trust me, this is going to be a big study. And then uphathe-ke nepeni. Okunye mhlawumbe ongakuphatha, you can bring ama-items that are spiritually related, mhlambe i-art yakho, mhlambe khona i-art oyenzile that you want to share with us, or anything of that nature. Yeah, ngicabanga ukuthi lokho kuphela.
Okay, no, all right. Kuyezwakala uma kukhona mhlawumbe okusalayo bazomkhumbuza la ezansi. Mhlambe what can we expect briefly nje, not in details, mhlambe ukusithi halamuza ukusihalisa nje ukuthi yini esingayilindela lapha? What happened? Usekhona? Oh, okay. No, kune delay khona, but ungaqhubeka.
Uma ngabe ube nenhlanhla enkulu yokuba khona kule event, into ongayilindela, it having the best time of your life and experience like no other. Ikhona nje ukukhulu engikuthembisa khona lokho. And then okunye-ke, at a safe and supportive space for connection. And okunye ongakulindela kule program ukuthi ube ne sense of purpose, uthole a direction and a great shift. And then-ke kuzobe kukhona futhi ne program that will alleviate you in a profound way possible. Mhlawumbe uma ngase ngiyibriefle nje kancane i-program, cause izinto eziwu-10 kahle kahle esizobe sizenza, ngeke ngize ngisazisho zonke ngenxa yesikhathi. Mhlawumbe nje okumbalwa engakubalula kwi-program yethu ukuthi kuzoba khona i-guided meditation, a 15-minute guided meditation, la sizokwazi ukuthi khona si-release and connect. So ngale nkathi sibhizi senza ama-bookings, if kukhona phakathi kwethu okwazi u-guide meditation, they can reach out, asho ukuthi uyacela ukusiza ngokuthi asigayidele meditation. And then mhlawumbe okunye okukhona futhi kwi-program soba khona a secret sharing, ukuthi usixoxele ngohambo lwakho ukuthi uvuke kanjani, ngoba kunzima. So wena kwenzekale kanjani ukuthi uvuke and usixoxele about your experiences. Yize-ke kungeke kube yithi sonke esizothola lelo thuba lelo, laba abalitholile, because this is just lelu hlelo lolu luzobe li-allocate just 1 hour. So if ukwazile ukuthi uthole ithuba lokuthi usixoxele ngohambo lwakho, uvuke kanjani and unavigate kanjani ukuze kube la, then ngesingakujabulela lokho. Mhlawumbe nathi singagcina sesizithola esitorini sakho, and yize kungeke kube yithi sonke esizoba nalo lolu thuba lokuthi sishare, but labo abazoba nalo ithuba lokuthi bashare. And then enye futhi into ekhona laphayana kwi-program, there's going to be a prepared presentation. So nakhona futhi la, during ama-bookings, you can reach out, usho ukuthi unesifiso sokuthi usiprepare i-presentation ezoba u-10 minutes ngesihloko esithile that resonates with you. So if kuwukuthi-ke you are reaching out and uyacela ukuthi sikufake kwi-program for that 10-minute presentation, ngiyacela ukuthi usazise isihloko ozobe ukhuluma ngaso. Isizathu siphi na ukuthi the cosmic algorithm yenza into eyisimanga, ivesane isinikeze sonke into efanayo ngesikhathi esisodwa. So manje if kuwukuthi awuzange ushare i-topic yakho nathi, then ngesikhathi ngosuku le-event sekukhona abantu abayi-5 bakhuluma into efanayo bonke. So uma ngabe-ke uzocela ukwenza i-presentation, then uzo-recharter, and then usho ukuthi ucela ukwenza i-presentation ngesihloko esiwukuthi, then-ke ngizobe sekucheck-a-ke ukuthi lesi sihloko akekho yini osesithathile, so that singasitholi sesilalela into eyodwa ngekhathi lezi ama-presentation, because yona ndlela leyo kwenza ngakhona ukuthi ama-download abe senafike kithi sonke ngesikhathi esifanayo. So okunye futhi kuzobe kukhona kwi-program, sengizovala nje kwi-program, kuzobe kukhona a group workshop la sobe si-explore khona i-symbolism kuzobe kukhona okungijabulisa kakhulu ke kuzoba khona ne-competition la kuzoba khona ama-prize giveaways and whatnot. Okay, nokunye ke ukuthi there's going to be ama-questions, open questions and answers. So kuzoba i-program ezosinikeza i-shift enkulu and very exciting. Ize ngeke ngisakusho konke but uma ngabe sesenza ama-bookings then uzobe usuyithola ke i-program yonke iphelele then uzobona ke ukuthi luthi hamba kanjani uhlelo lethu for the event.
Okay, no, siyabonga kakhulu. Mhlambe ngoba siyabona ukuthi ama-forces abuye be-against us, asivele sigijime siye lapha kulokhu akubuzayo uNonhlanhla laphana esinqumalo. Ngiyazi ukuthi usumphendulile lapha Masonland Events. Sicela usichazele ngesikhathi usuku kanjalo nendawo.
Okay, isikhathi kuzoba 11 AM sharp. Ungamane ube an hour late than to be 5 minutes ungamane ube an hour early than to be 5 minutes late. Ngoba if you lose 5 minutes we program iqala, then you have lost the whole 6 hours of the program, because the very first 30 minutes of the program iwona mgogodla wale event, because lapha sizobe sine meditation la sisetha khona the intention and the tone for the day, and sibe ne moment of silence la si send our heart and mind. So if you have missed that 30 minutes of the program, usufana nomuntu osivakashele nje usuzosibukela, because awusabanga khona ngale nkathi sisetha the intention. So kuzoba 11 AM sharp. So kungathi mama suku 11 sesiqala iprogram, uyafona ufuna ama direction, usathe eThekwini usudukile, ongenani ungafika an hour early and explore the park, ubuke izilwane kunokuthi ufike 5 minutes late. So event le izoba eMichel's Park Zoo eBreya eMorningside. So for abadrivayo mabusungena kuma bookings uzothola lapha ama directions, kukhona konke lapha kwi website la kubookwa khona. And then abahamba ngama taxi, ama-taxi aya eBreya atholakala ku Smith Street eThekwini. And then i-date ke izobe ngomhla ka-2 kuMay and kube ku Saturday. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, well said. So how much and how to book?
Oh, okay. Yeah. Before ngiphendule umbuzo lona changes Akasha, ngicela ukusho ukuthi i-event lena it is non-profitable event. Non-profitable event. So umnikelo siucelayo ke yonke imali, every last cent of it izoya ekuhlelweni kwe-event. So imali nje incane kakhulu, 250 lo u-include i-lunch, u-include ama-gift giveaways, because angithi njengoba ngishilo ukuthi kuzoba khona ama-competition ekupheleni kohlelo, and then ke fanele sithenge lama giveaways, and then kuzoba khona ama-name tag labe siwagaxa lemqaleni ukuze sizobonana ukuthi okay uNoma lo, uChanges Akasha lo, uNonhlanhla Nqumalo lo, kanjalo. And then enye into futhi ezobe ikhona kulo 250 ubhuti wecamera, ngoba I think professional ukuthi sibe nomuntu ozoshoota singalokho esihluphana ukuthi ubani une iPhone ulungisende. So kuzoba kuhle nje ukuthi sibe nomuntu ozosiza ngendaba yecamera. And then okunye oku-includewayo kulo 250 ama-canvas for i-group workshop leyo zoba khona. So kuzofanele ukuthi sithenge ama-canva nopende, because sizobe sidweba ama-symbolism. So lo 250 ke uya lapho ya wonke. So umuntu we-lunch ke simtholile and uzosenzela ke lunch, starters and i-buffet, ama-fruity and beverages. So ngasekudleni si-sorted, and then ke bese ke sikuba izona zonke lezi zinto lezi ke esikhona. So sibhuka kuphi? Sibhuka ku-akashianmedia@schedulista.com. So mabe sifika lapha yana ke kukhona ama-chart reading and so on. So wena uzoclicka ku-event and then you faka ama-details wakho and so on. Bese ke usiyasubmit, then you will receive an email econfirmayo ukuthi wena usubhukhile. After ke usubhukhile, then you will make payment kwi-account, kuma-banking details ozowathola laphayana kwi-website, and then bese suthumela i-proof of payment kwi-number futhi ozoyithola laphayana kwi-website. uma ngabe usuthumela ke i-proof of payment yakho, sicela ukuthi i-reference yakho ibe igama ozothanda ukuthi libe khona kwi-name tag yakho. It doesn't have to be ukuthi kube igama eliyi-ID. You know, igama nje comfortable usithanda ukubizwa ngalo, then uzolifaka libe i-reference ukuze uma ngabe sekwenziwa ama-name tag sikufakele lelo gama lelo. Ngenxa ke yokuthi fanele silungiselele uhlelo lolu, si-prepare kakhulukazi sikhokhela umuntu wokudla. I-due date ke yethu yokukhokha izoba ngomhla ka-15 April. Sithanda futhi nokuxolisa kakhulu ukuthi ngenxa yokuthi le event iyaqala asifuni ukuthi sibe overwhelmed and stuff, so sizothatha isibalo esi-limited. Si-limited kakhulu, ngiyazi ukuthi abantu baningi bavukile and abantu out there ba-lonely and they yearn for this kind of connection. Kodwa okwamanje njengoba kusaqala kanje sizocela ukuthi sithathe abantu aba-100 kuphela. So first come, first serve. Ukuze ke usecurishe indawo yakho kahle, ungaya ku-acacianmedia@getjulius.com and then ubook and then make the payments and then uthumele i-POP bese ke usubhala igama uthanda ukuthi libe khona ke kwi-name tag yakho. So ngomhla ka-15 April sizobe singasawamukeli ama-bookings.
Hayi, well said. Kuzwakele konke. Futhi ke okunye so desikuchaza along the way as ama-videos wakhipha ngoba no live still sazoba nabo okuya phambili. Ngiyabona ukuthi mase sisiya ngasekupheleni nje manje kwi-interview yethu uyabuza lapho uzwide lihle
ikhona i-team yini. Siza lapha impela wabuza umbuzo lewe ngiyakhona impela. I-theme yethu ke lokhu lokhu kubalekile kakhulu ukuthi sikubambe singakhohlwa. I-theme yethu ke i-dress code it's any shade of green. Any shade of green, you can think of camouflage green, buckle green, you know, any shade of green. So sizothanda ukuthi sigqoke kanjalo ke. So ngakho ngithi kubalekile kakhulu ngoba ngosuku le event usufaka u-red wakho changes asazi ke manje sokwenza njani. So siyacela ukuthi kube any shade of green. And then okunye okubalekile kakhulu sesivala mhlambe indaba yesikhathi. I-punctuality. U-6 hours muncane kakhulu uma ubheka ububanzi nesisindo sale event. U-6 hours mude uma ngabe usemsebenzini, kodwa for le event mncane kakhulu. So ngiyacela ukuthi isikhathi sesigcine. So izoba u-6 hours, sizoqala ngo-11 AM size siyophetula ngo-5 PM. So then ngo-1 siba ne-lunch yethu ke sithole isikhathi sokuthi si-connect and mingle and make those connections.
Mhlambe ngenzekani ukuthi uhlobo nje lwe-event sigcina sesilibona nakwezinye indawo singagcini nje eThekwini kuphela?
Ileso esifiso sethu ngoba abantu abavukile bakhona yonke indawo, abekho eThekwini kuphela. So ilesi isifiso sethu sokuthi uhlobo nje le-event lukhule futhi ngesinye isikhathi esilandelayo kungabe abantu aba-100 kuphela. Mhlambe kugcina sekuba abantu aba-500 ngelinye ilanga sihambe sonke siyocampa somewhere, you know, and explore nature together. Kube ukuthi lokhu kuba isiqalo, hayi ukuthi nje siyobonana bese sekuphela kanjalo ke. Kube nje isiqalo sokuthi siyaqhubeka siyabonana and we continue making these connections. Sibe umphakathi lo esiwo uvukile.
Hayi, no, sithi nesilungu sithi you ate and left no crumbles. Siyabonga kakhulu. Ngicabanga ukuthi not unless mhlambe kukhona other information or noma kukhona mhlambe ofuna ukubuza okuthile laphana ngezansi angabuza. But ke other than that okunye nokunye ke phela sizokusho nje along the way ngoba sisesidiscuss abantu ukuthi bakwazi ukubuza, bakwazi ukuhlela into zabo. Sisekhona nje. Sibonga kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho Noma.
Okay, ngiyabonga kakhulu nami ngiyathokoza kakhulu. I honestly look forward to having these connections nani, sihlanganeni, sazane and sibe a-catalyst of growth, clarity and unity, and sithi no more loners. Singaphinde futhi sibe sodwa. So if ukhona lapho nami ngikhona la sikhona everywhere, then asikho isidingo sokuthi sibe sodwa and sibe lonely kanje. Namaste. Cheers, bye bye. Ngiyabonga, cheers, bye.
Thank you. Yeah. bafethu ningakwazi ukuthi ninginike imbali zami ukuthi ngayibamba iredo. Ngakwazi ukuthi ninginike imbali zami ngayibamba iredo. Niyayizwa lento engigijima nayo la ngathi muphi lo msakazi lo. Hayi, ukuthi umuntu uthi ubonga sefile nje. Vele umuntu ubonga sefile. Thank you so much good people, ngiyabonga kakhulu. Yeah, yabona umuntu ngeke uzumenze lutho ngetalent nesiphiwo sakhe. Yabona lento eredo muyibheka nje ungazi uthi ilula. Thank you Mason Len, ungathi ilula lento eredo. Lento eredo ayilula, iyitalent nje lento yokusakaza. And mina angeke ngize ngilunge, ngeke ngize ngilunge nje. Yabo nje this couple nje isikhashana lesi sincane for me awazi into ebiyenzeka kumina. Mina ngikude makuthiwa nje angiveteze kanje. Hayi ngidweba ngisuka phansi ngiyaphezulu from Cape to Cairo, Morocco to Madagascar. Kodwa makuthiwa ngikhuluma in a structured manner like this, right ke uthi-ke ngibone ukuthi nike nithini good people. Ngiyabona abanye bathi kiwapi. Okay, awuthi ngini summarizele. Alright, asiqale la. Kusasa. That is where and when. Let me do it like this. Let me not talking about kusasa la. Oh, I still need to add igama wena. Ofuna libhalo ngoba ngiyazi abanye bazodideka Nkosi yami. Umuntu abhale elinye igama elingeza ukuba kwi-name tag mase send the proof of payment. Ngizonibhalela igama manje. If I finish this live on the website, I'm not going to put the event now. Ngizoyifaka mangiqeda la, so that ngizofaka igama ufuna livele kwi-name tag yakho. Yes, ngizofaka that part. Igama ufuna livele kwi-name tag yakho. Yes, that is the only thing that I have to put. I don't want to make this thing visible before I do that, because people will come in numbers and book, and then kuzoba khona abantu asebenayo access yokuthi bebhala I don't know, ngifuna zenze izinto nge-odd, right? Because I'm the one who is managing this thing of booking ukuthi ihambe ngendlela, ihambe nge-order, yabo. Because into ebengiyibalekele ile nto yokuthi kuthiwa hayi ayifake kubani sisenda o Capitec account number la. We want the professionalism, yabo. So I'll be there. I'm the first one who's going to be there. Yeah, I'm the first one who's going to be there. So I also welcome you. What are your comments, like good people? I can see la uthi you were engaging, and then uSmangele Mhlongo uthi I love your content, my bro. Thank you so much, Pepe. Thank you so much, ngiyabonga kakhulu for that. Nami ke sengididela ngasemnyango vele, but I just want to see your comments. For name changing the align. Yo. Greeting Akasha, can you touch on the edge for name changing to align with Awakening Jane? Ukushintsha igama ungalishintsha muzo ukuthi lishintshe akuphoqi. I want to do quantum leap. Wololo Mason Len. Place and time. Okay, sesihandlishile le. Quantum event mfethu ukushintsha nje indlela yokucabanga nje, kushintsha izinto eziningi yabo. Come to Johannesburg Tumsane, hayi ngoba uzwile nje uNomaya eshilo wathi kuyiphupho la i-event ukuthi igcine seyisabalala ndawo zonke, yabo. Going for Sage. Kusho lapho me going for Sage uveza lapha na uGreen. Ngaze ngalate Mawacu, we were talking about the event that is going to be held on the 2nd of May 2006 at Mitchell's Park in Morningside at 11 a.m. Till 5 a.m. So you can bring your camp chair or something to sit on. Need to have a good valley park. Those who are for an extended period of time, maybe cushion or whatever you can sit on, and also your notebook or your journal where you are going to able to take your notes, because it's gonna be some handy information that you will need to take in, because sometimes we can say it's gonna be a master class as well, but mixed with some fun and spiritual material. You can bring your spiritual material, anything, maybe your art or whatever that you have, that you feel like sharing with like-minded people like you. Ngiyakusummarize nje manje. imele mawubhuka uzofaka negama ufuna livele kwi-name tag angithi yabo ya i-theme ugreen angithi yabo ugreen senkohlwe noma kuthiwa usage green or something like that, but nizwile-ke nani-ke but ugreen-ke nje yabo. I don't have ugreen, but I'm gonna make sure ukuthi I pull up with ugreen yabo, because manje mangifika sengi-ready for danger, you guys will think I'm angry. So yeah, 15th of April is deadline for payments, the 15th of April, so that's a smooth transition izokwenzeka kuma service providers, the 15th of April. I got it that one correctly? Yeah. So yeah, that's it when it comes to summarize. Abantu abaningi-ke kuku njengoba sengichazile-ke ne I see you booking Moses Mabhida in the long run for a awakened event. Thembani mina Masonland, you see us booking. Well, good people, why not? Yes, Masonland events. Yes, at some point we're gonna do that because other people do that. Kuma lokungan artile, kuma profit seeking organizations, they are able to do that, and then they use the mass media marketing to make sure their places are filled, their bond. Why we are not here to do any profit. We are not here for any profit. It will be even the accounting part can be even drawn for you. We are not here for any profit, because I even said it's good, no man, because this is not about profit. So I'll take care of the bookings, but as Akashian Media and Entertainment Pty Ltd shouldn't be the face niyamazi nano SARS. So cabanga ukuthi mhlambe konke engiyenzayo acathi angifuna ukuthi ngiyimarket through inkampani ongazayitshela ukuthi nje uSARS sesiyashushumbisa. Cha, ashushumbisi lutho. Phela uhleze ebhekile naye. Uma bekwazi abantu ukuhlangana beshaya i-bring and share bephuze kube mnandi, thina sihlulwa yini pho ukuthi sibe mnandi, sijabule, sibe ndawonye yabo, like-minded people, si-engage kube mnandi, sihleke kube ileyanto leyana esixoxe wahlangana nabantu abanjengawe, abacabanga njengawe, ababuka ama-possibilities ngenye indlela, abantu abangakujaji, abantu abangazama ukufunda ukuthi zichaze ukuthi ubani. Wahlangana nabantu abanjalo aba-understanda ungakayichazi nanokuyichaza ukuthi what kind of a person are you, ucabanga kanjani already ukuhlangana nalabo bantu. You know ukuthi no, these people I don't even need to explain myself. If I say I see potential and possibilities before they even appear, they understand what I'm talking about. They are not saying I'm crazy. If I say I talk to trees, they don't say I'm crazy. Yabo, wouldn't that be nice to meet those kind of people? And yabo, ngiyakela uphambili, ngiyakutshela uphambili bhuti. Usho kanje uPamzo lapha nosenda imbali. Ngiyabonga kakhulu emawacu. Usho ukuthi umuntu ungenhla nje sengizaphuma ne khonza Enrico uthi ungayibamba mfowethu, ungayibamba mfowethu. Ngiyabonga kakhulu lapho khonza into zakhe khanyile uthi ayi kuhle lokhu, siyabonga kakhulu mfowethu khanyile, siyabonga kakhulu. Mr. Akasha, the uplifting quotes. Hey, I greet you Pamzo. Uyajayiva ke lapha uPamzo, sithemba ukuthi yonke into ihamba kahle. General Thatha zonke. General Thathaza zonke. Okay, he changes my brother. Hey, General. The General, siyabonga mfowethu. Mawacu ngiyabonga malume. Thank you. Gugu malini only your 250 nje. That 250 doesn't go to anyone's pocket. We will make sure that we draft the accounting and you see how did we distributed all those funds, because it for us, nothing for you without you, right? So food, we gotta have our own food there. Those gifts, yeah. What else did she mention? But nevertheless, I'm an accounting teacher, so I'm very good when it comes to accounting and communicating financial information. Yes, alone. Tumsani, uyayiveza ke lapha kugugu. Yeah, thanks. Pleasure Tumsani, it's a pleasure. Uyabonga lapha ugugu. Siyabonga kakhulu nganza ukuthi nibuyeni assistane nje endleleni. Tozake khanyile uthi konje, what's your real name and surname changes? My name is Goodman Simesihle Sithole. My name is Goodman Simesihle Sithole. I live at eThekwini. My dream is to be a teacher. Bekubuhle him Magubane. I'm in. Thank you mfowethu. Lo live uzowuthola mangabe sesu-uploadile lapha ku YouTube, ku Changes Akasha on YouTube. Kubukwa kanjani? Indaba ye booking ke good people. Let me tell you, the booking will happen kuphi? Ngizoyibhala lento. Ngizokwazi ukuyibhala la. Ngizokuvezela. Kubukwa kwi-link le. Yabo i-link le ekwilokhungana yami. For now ngeke ivele event njengamanje. Ngeke ivele. Yes. Izovela kodwa soon. Ngeke ivele njengamanje. Uzobhuka kwi-link le ela ebhala ukuthi theakashianmedia.schedulista.com. Yes. Le link ela ekubhuka kuyona mawenza ama chat. Kukhona i-chat reading, khona i-consultation. I'm going to add the event. Then you'll click the event. Mase sengi-edithele lento engiyishilo. Uzolalisa ikhona lento engikhuluma ngayo. Yes. Bese uyaqala uyabhuka uzolalisa ikhona lento engikhuluma ngayo ye-event. Okwamanje khona 2 services. I'm going to add the event. Uzolalisa ikhona uma ukuthi awuzokulala manje. I'm going to put it. Mawuvuka ekseni uzoyifica uma ukuthi usheshe walala. Yabo? Le event. The event is already there because I want to put this thing ukuthi ukwazi ukufaka igama lakho ozobizwa ngalo ngoba nami angeke ngize ngikwazi ukuthi mase ngithi nangu ugqoke ingane ublue ongathi ugreen. Cha ngifuna ukuthi nayi name tag yakhe ngiyambona usibanibani wesibanibani hamba kanjani lapha. Yabona. Let me follow you. Follow me mfethu. Thank you so much for following me. I like to have an input. You would like to have an input. Alright, ungaba ne-input vele sengiyaphuma namanje. Mhlambe singayithatha input yakho. Mawacu ukuthi it's great event. I just feel it already. Yeah, Mawacu. I also believe. I feel it. Feel it in my veins. Yo, ngilate. Amina, I know mfethu so bamba ku YouTube lo live lo. You are also a teacher. Hayi ke ziyakhala zikhala kamnandi ke mayikhala kanjalo. Good people, sekuyiwona u9 vele ngijwayele ukuphuma ngawo u9. Ngicela follow me on YouTube, follow me here on TikTok please, and also on YouTube. You can be a channel member. You can also subscribe as well. Ngitsho yezolona. Kusasa we infuse the meditation. Ngoba sengiyagoqa manje. We infuse the meditation with chakra balancing ne pranayama with YouTube channel members, right? We still read ama charts, the chart reading. If you want to know more about yourself, the what you call the energetic configurations and the type you are, how should you take your decisions, and how should you live your life, how should you engage with life, the type, strategy, authority, incarnation cross, your soul purpose or soul role, your personality or profile, all of those things is the part of human design chart reading. So you can book through the link that is found on my Lokungan, my profile here. Also the consultation, if you want to talk about spirituality, just open discussion and talk about spirituality, open ask any question that you want to ask, then you can book a consultation, human not a human design, a consultation, right? Other than that, good people, let me love you and leave you. So thank you so much, so siyabonga kakhulu. Sengiphuma kanje na ke manje, angazi noma kuzophumeka kanjani. Sophumeka? Yes.